So I started working on a little something that'll get you to be able to put LED lights into your 89 style quad headlights. And the first thing we're gonna do, and this will work with the Sylvia lights or the Wagner halogen, all you gotta do is just go ahead and take off your bracket bolts. And the first thing you gotta make sure is that the headlights are the type that have the glue around the piece. And once you take that off with a knife, you want to try to go ahead and clean it up as best as you can. And you'll be able to pull that light out. And once you've been able to pull that out, you want to try to clean it up the best you can. And there's a few little edges just that you want to clean up. Once you get that area cleaned up at the best of your ability, you want to go ahead and get some pliers that you could cut these points off with. And this is where your screw used to go. Now you're going to want to use a step drill bit, and you're going to want to use a size that's going to accept the mount that you're using, and you're going to want to epoxy this onto the light. So you want to be very careful and go slow to make sure you don't crack your light. And once you've made the area large enough, what you're going to want to do is make sure that it's going to fit. And you're going to want to bring this upright. And you'll epoxy this area here. I'm just going to put it in there for demonstration. And what you're going to do is, once you've epoxied the sides, you're going to push this side in. And once it sits in there and you give it time to dry, you'll be able to go ahead and install your headlight. If you've completed this portion, now you're going to go ahead and bring your headlight. You'll put it in there, screw it on. And of course, just depending on the location that you have it. And there you have it. You have your LED 89 style headlight, and you'll be ready to go. Here are two that are already pre-made. And as you can see, this will work for your Wagner halogen. And this will also work for your Sylvania halogen. Hopefully you guys can follow along and let us know what you guys think about this build.